Yo guys, what's up? So I woke up this morning and saw this notification from TikTok saying that I have Live Studio, like Live Studio not available on my TikTok account. So I went to the live place and checked it out, and look down here, I saw it, Live Studio. So I followed the prompts and clicked on cast to PC. So what it basically does is that what you're playing on your phone, you can be seeing it on your PC, and you can see comments and all those, just like a live studio on PC. So it's quite cool. So let me just show you how the thing looks like. Yo, this is like this is how the new TikTok features like that. They like the live studio casting to your PC. This is how it will be. So you can literally play your game, like you play your game, you see it on the screen. You're just literally casting your phone to the PC. Yeah. And it's quite cool, man. It's quite dope. So I just finished streaming and the experience was very, very smooth. Although I had a little lag because my phone used to overheat and all. As you can see, it's my screen that is showing there. So yeah, very, very good.